When using degrees to express the measure of an angle, we can, as we did in the last example, use degrees in a decimal form, or we can use degrees, minutes, and seconds. Now, minutes and seconds are a way to split up a degree into smaller pieces, much in the same way that we split up a foot into smaller pieces that we call inches. We use these two equivalences to help us with this, the fact that 1 degree is made up of 60 minutes, and we use this sort of single dash or tick mark to indicate minutes, and 1 minute is split up into 60 seconds, and we use the double dash mark to indicate seconds. In example 1.2, we're starting out with an angle that's in degrees in decimal form, 315.87 degrees, and we want to convert it to degrees, minutes, seconds, or DMS for short, rounded to the nearest second. Now, when we express our angle in degrees, minutes, seconds in DMS form, we're going to have so many whole degrees, followed by so many minutes, followed by so many seconds. And we already know how many degrees we've got. It's 315. So we've got that part all set. We just need to know how many minutes and how many seconds. And so to figure that out, we're going to focus on the other part of this angle, this decimal part, the 0.87 degrees. We're going to start with that and figure out how many minutes we have. So we start out with 0.87 degrees, and we want to convert this to minutes. And so we're going to use this first equivalence up here, 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes, and we're going to put degrees on the bottom. So we need those to cancel out. And so really we're just multiplying 0.87 by 60. We get 52.2 minutes. So now we know how many whole minutes. We're going to take our 52.2 minutes, we're going to take the whole number from that, 52, and that's how many minutes we have. Now we're going to figure out how many seconds, and we're going to do that by focusing on the decimal part of the minutes. We have 0.2 minutes, and we're going to figure out how many seconds is that. We're going to use the second equivalence now. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. And as we saw in this very last one, all we're really going to do is multiply our decimal in the minutes by 60. So 0.2 times 60 gives us 12 seconds, and so that is what's going to go in the seconds position. And so we can see that 315.87 degrees is equal to 315 degrees, 52 minutes, 12 seconds.